so my voice is still kind of going, but I really wanted to do this video for you guys before it gets any worse. So I'm going to explain everything. Let's just get right into this video. Okay, so I'm thinking about where to start. I got my ring light on for some more light, y'all, because it's getting dark outside. And I got so much to show you guys, so we're going to start over here. Let's start right here. So I put my bed over here by the window because I needed more space. And the dorm is really small, so I just set it up like this. So we're going to talk about the layout first. The dorm, as y'all seen when I did the empty dormitory, is really hard. It's really small, but when you move your room around, you can make it look bigger than it is. So that's why I did the bed over here. I have storage under there. I'm not even gonna look at it, y'all. It's just boxes. I put my fridge because it's the perfect area in the corner over here. We have stored like a dorm pantry over here, and my desk area over here. And I leave this area for when I do my videos and just extra space. So it's the perfect layout, I think, for a dorm. It's just, it doesn't look big. A lot of people, obviously dorms are small, but for me, this is a lot of space. Okay guys, so this is my room, this is my desk. I have everything over here from notebooks to makeup stuff, well, all my beauty and makeup stuff, to excess Ouija boards over here, nonsense that I'm gonna be playing with some of these days. I got alarm clocks up here, my mirror, my laptop. Just a lot of like self-care stuff in here. That's all I got on my desk. And it's really full, you can tell. I have a lot of stuff. I needed more storage. Dorms do not have a lot of storage. I don't know what that's about. They give you a desk in like a closet and they, you make it with what you got. I said I need to go to the Container Store to get more stuff. I did get these from the Container Store though. I did that video showing where I got these. Got these from the Container Store. I needed some bigger ones, but under this one, I just have my makeup pack because I want to put it in my drawer. And up in here, I have like blush supposed to be over here, but just stuff, my keys, my wallet, perfume, makeup wipes, lotion, random stuff. When you think of like a junk drawer, just think of like that. It's something you pull out to look for something. That's most likely where it's at. And like I said, a laptop, just some cutesy stuff, my little plant that goes everywhere, my little fake plant that goes everywhere with me. And more stuff, I really just put random stuff in here. Like I got nails in my AirPods in this one. My notebooks that I use every day. Really cool planner, kind of a planner that I'm working on a really cool project that I'm going to tell you guys about soon. I have my beautiful globe. I finally get to put it out, guys. And I can't wait till I start going on trips because I really want to be those people when you just be like, that's where we're going. And that is, where is this? It's Kansas, which is never happening. But y'all get what I'm saying. I'm really gonna open my drawers, but up in this one, I'll show you guys this one. It's just like hair, body wash stuff, soap, literally my cough drops, which I need to get me another one in a minute. I have like feminine hygiene stuff in these. I'm still not even fully unpacked, y'all, so I got like a lot of stuff. My lightness stuff over here because I don't know, I can't put that nowhere else. I can't put it in the closet because I'm not even done packing. I just don't know where to put any of this stuff. Those are not pads, stuff in my box, y'all. And I have bags, which I need, and just disinfectant wipes. Up here, I have my just cute, like my little clutch. A little cute crossbody clutch. I have my Instax. I have my Instax. Y'all, my voice is ridiculous. And I have my beautiful thing I finally got to put on the wall. I got that from Tuesday morning. As you guys will see, I also got my Summer Divines on the wall. I'll show you. Look at this with the records. Y'all, it is not easy. I should not have tacked these in the wall. It's so hard to put these in the wall. And I also got to put those up there. I love it. Y'all will see this one is by the trash can. It's not, I love it. It just won't go in the wall. Like I have to screw some nails, which you can't do. So I'm gonna have to put this somewhere because I really wanted it like right here. Actually, I wanted it over here. Okay guys, so this is the comforter I got, by the way. It's a very thick and it's so comfortable. When I say I got this from JCPenney's and it came with these two, it's a queen. Yeah, I think it's a queen size one. It is so thick and it's so warm. Y'all, since I had this cold, like I've been snuggled up under here. And I know it's been 2 days since I've been on campus, but it's been helping. It's like, it keeps your temperature all up in there. So it's such a lovely comforter. And I got this, this is a rug. It's very small, but it's actually a perfect size. It's just, I needed a little one for my dorm. I wish it was bigger, but it's still pretty. It's really comfortable to step on. Also, I got food today, so don't judge me. So let me go and tell y'all about this area. There's a lot of stuff going on over here. I legit made my own pantry. As y'all seen, this was in my room. And I legit just put all my food on it. This is perfect. This is perfect. And I'm gonna tell you guys about my projector in a minute. That's currently on, so I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like and how I hooked it up. So at the bottom, I have a lot of pantry food I took from home, and I'm gonna be cooking in my dorm a lot. So that's why I got this. I bought this when I was on campus last time for my food. So that's what it was normally like for anyway. So anyways. I put my rice and stuff on here. I got tortillas. I got all my cans and stuff, chickpeas. Up here, I have I have tea in here, and peppermints up here, which I need to make some tea because I got a kettle, so I'm good with that. I got my Instant Pot, my air fryer, some meal prep and stuff. My just do a 50-cent guys. They're really good. I love these. There's some cheap bowls and stuff, and my mom gave me that, which I want to eat out of that tonight. So yeah, this whole area is like perfect. So let me tell you guys about the projector, okay? I love this projector. This is it. And it's hooked up over here, guys. I'm gonna turn off all the lights for you guys. I want you guys to see what that's like, what it really looks like. Let me make sure it's dark. Okay, let me turn off this light. Like, I keep this on like all night, guys. And this over here. And this is what it looks like. It's so cool. I'm watching Dashy. So you can like, you can focus it and unfocus it, which I finally got it. And you can put it anywhere. That's why this is actually the perfect wall. I hated it. At first I hated it because it's a brick wall and you can't do nothing with this. You can put the strips on here and hang stuff, but I just didn't have, I was like, you know what? This is actually the perfect wall to do this set. So I just put it on my stand, and it's a cord that you hook up to your computer or to your TV, whatever you want to hook it up to. I don't have a TV, so I hooked it up to my computer. I have two laptops, my HP. So I hooked it up and I just set it down here. And this is the cord, and that's all it is. It's just pictures, and I got this from Amazon, guys. It was like $80-some, and it's amazing. This is amazing. My sister loving that. She wants one. Y'all, when I think it's so fun watching movies, I watched Halloween, like horror movies last night, and just chilled out because I was so tired from like class and then the cold, and I'm still sick, so I'm gonna be watching more movies tonight, eating Blaze Pizza. So it was just so nice, relaxing, and watching movies in here, guys. Because I don't have a TV, so I love this. I absolutely love it. So I definitely recommend getting one, y'all. It's so fun. And you can make, like, when it get closer, you can make it bigger. So I'm actually happy it's this far back because it look huge. Yeah, this is perfect for friends, guys, because y'all could just chill and like relax together. Like, I absolutely love this. This is also a cute date night if you want to be like Netflix and chill, guys. This is it. This is it. I'm gonna show you guys this part. My little bananas over here, my kettle. Y'all, I love this kettle. It's so freaking pretty. Did I get this from Amazon too? I swear Amazon has everything. I just thought it was a really cute one. So yeah, this is it. Definitely recommend it. It's just so pretty. You know, I'm happy they have one. You need a kettle in the dorm, seriously. And this is my fridge. I got a bigger fridge this time with a deep freeze. Well, not a deep freeze, but with a freezer, guys, because I have a lot of stuff. I'm about to eat one of these in a minute. These are so good. I got these from Sam. Like, these Asian lo mein noodles are so delicious. And I just got plant-based foods in here. A whole thing of Beyond Burgers, and I gotta go cook them somewhere because I don't have the oven. I also got plant butter in here. And don't look in my fridge too much, but yeah, that's what we got in here. That's just like a college student. So yeah, guys, I'm also gonna show you guys the closet part. It's just my clothes in here, so I'm gonna show you guys the bottom part. I'm not even done like trying to put my stuff in here, but this is it so far. Yeah, I know I had to get the shoes up in here, and they're also down here. So y'all, it's just me trying to fix all this stuff. Y'all, still. I will have a video of me fixing up my rack, the gold rack for my blazers, because I got clothes I need to I just don't want in the closet that I really need to make sure they don't wrinkle up. So I bought a gold rack, and it's just a lot to put together. So that's going to be a whole video for its own bed. I'm going to make a whole video for that separately. And that is my dorm room, you lovely people. My voice has let me do this outro, so I'm gonna do it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Yeah, this is really a lot going on. This is probably as clean as it's gonna get for a while because I'm still trying to figure some stuff out, move some stuff. I only brought out my stuff because I'm putting it all in storage for the summer because I'm gonna be here fall and then I'm gonna be done in spring. So it's like, let me just kind of take everything I need so I don't miss it later. That was the whole point. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I am Tatiana Green. I'm so sorry again for my voice. It's just ridiculous, y'all. I just wanted to make this video already. I was like, please just let me get through the video. So I got through it. So don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.